Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, we printed an articulating gingerbread man.
Not my gumdrop buttons.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey. Bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I found this model on Thingiverse while I was searching for Christmassy models, and this is the articulating gingerbread man. And not only does he articulate, but he's actually kind of creepy. This model is the gingerbread man designed by blendergoodies on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. This model was printed in inland PLA poop brown, light brown, on the AM8 with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. The legs, the arms, and even the head articulate, and there's a hole at the top so that you can put a keychain on. This printed fairly easily. It printed on the bed like this, and it articulates very well once you work out the joints, and it was just a fun little model. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, have a safe and happy New Year. And print on. Hey everybody, so what do you call someone that steals gingerbread man? A crookie. A crookie, everybody. That's a thing now. I'm done.